In modern warfare, seeing farther and clearer is crucial for battlefield dominance. The Ukrainian Raybird UAV, AX-3, is redefining reconnaissance with its unmatched endurance, precision targeting, and advanced modular design. With a flight duration of up to 28 hours and an autonomous range of 2,500 kilometers, it provides continuous surveillance and intelligence gathering over long distances. Operating at altitudes of up to 5,500 meters, Raybird stays beyond the reach of many enemy air defense systems, ensuring mission success even in contested environments. Designed for versatility, Raybird features a modular payload system that allows for quick adaptation to various combat tasks. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and a laser target designator, it enables pinpoint strikes and real-time reconnaissance. Its combat-proven reliability is evident in over 350,000 operational hours, executing daily missions with high efficiency. The UAV's autonomous flight capabilities and AI-powered navigation allow it to perform pre-programmed routes and return safely, even under electronic warfare interference. Raybird is the only UAV in its class with integrated laser target designation, providing precision guidance for munitions while keeping operators at a safe distance. This technological edge makes it a game-changer in modern conflicts, enhancing battlefield effectiveness and protecting troops. With its combination of advanced technology and real-world combat experience, Raybird is setting new standards for military UAVs.